Alrighty guys, what's up again? Today we got the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross. This is the SE variant.
This feature is not supported yet.
Oh, that is the assistant.
Sorry, this feature is not supported now.
Okay. So you can get this SE variant for 1,340,000, and there are three variants, and the base one you can get that for 1,100,000. So currently this is the top trim, so all the additional features that you may have nandito. This is a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder multi-point fuel injected gasoline engine that produces 113 horsepower with 145 newton meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. So it's the traditional automatic transmission with sports mode. So familiar yung feel dito, very Volkswagen. Steering is soft naman yung material na ginamit, but this is black plastic. So black plastic here, and then this color variant is actually, yung color niya is moonstone gray. So kung ano yung kulay sa labas, yun din ang kulay ng interior touch niya. And there are actually 7 available colors. Adjustable, tilt, telescopic, with Apple CarPlay, wireless, and Android Auto. Very responsive ang kanyang Apple CarPlay. It's not automatic climate control, pero ang lamig dito. So andun yung start stop ng kanyang engine. It has USB-C and Type-C. Doesn't have a wireless charger, but it has 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, key holder, center armrest, and then the roof, yung dito niya sa taas, it has panoramic sunroof. No, I like the leather with fabric feel ng kanyang driver seat, no? Para mag-grip talaga ang iyong pants sa upuan with that soft, fully synthetic leather material. So synthetic leather material din yun dito. And then here, para make sure na malambot. What else? So samahan nyo kami ni Sir Jao.
Yes, sir.
No? From, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jao from Volkswagen Pampanga. Shoutout, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity and sa pagsama sa akin sa test drive.
Yes, sir. Pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Ayan. So bago natin i-test drive to, tignan muna natin siya sa labas. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Moonstone gray, napakaganda sa labas. 17-inch 205/55 tires. Meron na din siyang daytime running lights, no? And the fog lights, yung grill niya dito paired with a chrome design, no? Gusto ko yung design ng T-Cross na to. This platform is a crossover. Sits at about 185 millimeters. Okay din yung sa likod niya. Para siyang Hamburglar, if you know that. And then check natin yung kung gaano kaluwag. Maluwag siya with donut tires. Check naman natin yung sa likod niya. Okay naman. Sa likod okay din, maluwang. And meron siyang dalawang air conditioning dito with Type C and USB port. Doesn't have an armrest, pero merong rest for your leg. Like it in here. Hindi claustrophobic dahil sa sunroof niya. Alright, so let's take this elegant T crossover for a spin. Not to mention, yung unit ko that I have is a Kia Stonic. So definitely mako-compare ko itong Volkswagen T-Cross sa Kia Stonic ko. Halos similar sila ng performance, but mas maraming horsepower ito. This is 113 horsepower compared dun sa 99 horsepower ng Stonic. So let's take it for a spin. Automatic door locks. Okay. Digital ang kanyang instrument panel. Medyo traffic lang, but it's alright. Iba din yung design ng kanyang logo dito sa steering wheel. Very powerful braking system. Responsive ang kanyang Apple CarPlay. Very robust yung pagka gawa dito sa interior niya. Parang wala man akong marinig na squeaks or unwanted noise. Same as the Volkswagen Taro. The target market for this unit will be the youth, the millennials, no, or the younger youth. Yun yung target market ng specific model na to, kasi it has a very youth vibe and feel to it, and yung exterior look niya napaka youthful. Ayos din yung horn. Maror ang kanyang 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Whoops. Okay. Okay. Traffic everywhere. Ang smooth lang niya. Try natin yung manual. Dito tayo ngayon sa Bacolor, dito sa Megadike, Bacolor, Pampanga. Do we have a daan here? Solana pala to. Lang daan dito sa Solana, no sir? Para maiwasan sana natin yung traffic dun eh. Alasas Road. Feeling ko sa Alasas pwede tayo. Del Rosario, Alasas Road. Del Rosario tayo, sir. Doon na lang tayo ikot.
Sir, pwede naman sir.
So far komportable dito sa T-Cross, no? Same as, though I'm not saying na same sila ng comfort level ng Stonic. This unit has a McPherson independent suspension in the front, and then torsion beam at the rear. Malamig ang aircon nito ah. Currently number 3. Let's put it sa number 2. Tahimik dito sa loob ah. Nice. This crossover para siyang sedan like. Kasi nga crossover siya, no? It's a lifted, somehow a lifted sedan, mini crossover, mini SUV platform. Sir, so Sir Joao, how was it going naman dyan? Kumusta yung ride feel dyan as a passenger?
Sir, comfortable siya eh. Malambot din.
Malambot din.
Tahimik lang.
Mm,
And parang smooth lang yung flow ng unit eh. Yung parang yung acceleration niya.
yes.
Hindi siya yung less vibration yung.
Yes. Tama, less vibration dito sa steering. Halos minimal yung feel.
Parang hindi siya nakastart like ano eh.
Oo. Yung dito sa dashboard niya, no, wala siyang vibration. So, same sila ng Stonic, traditional 6-speed automatic transmission.
Ano siya, maluwag yung legroom niya eh.
Yeah, I agree. Maluwag yung legroom niya. Yung sunroof niya merong tint,
Naka-ceramic siya yan, sir.
ceramic tint.
Hyper optic. So mataas
Super
yung
optic.
heat rejection niya. So,
Okay. Front assist. It has front assist pala. Let us use that. Function not available. Oh, meron din siyang ano doon, ha. Okay. Meron siyang telephone, vehicle status, driving data, assist systems, function not available. So it's either this or this. Gusto ko yung color ng kanyang ano no. Ang ganda ng system na ginamit dito sa Volkswagen, or this is a T-Cross para sa kanyang ang Apple CarPlay, kasi ang crisp niya tignan. So how was it, guys? Would you buy this for 1,340,000? And then as per Sir Jiao, meron pa daw discount if you're going to pay it cash up to 60,000 pesos. So roughly around 1,200,000 and 900 na lang siguro yon, or 800, mga nasa ganon. And then meron din siyang lalagyan dito, no? It's a good thing na meron siyang lalagyan dito ng kahit ano, like your phone, wallet. I like yung meron pa rin siyang physical buttons for the air conditioning dito. So eto sir, stop start to?
yes, sir.
Okay. So it has the stop start din pala, the Blue Motion technology. No, mag-i-stop siya during idle. And then kapag when you press the accelerator, gagana na siya ulit. It will automatically turn back on. So far, nandito tayo sa Del Rosario. Let's explore the appearance. Okay. Has Volkswagen app. Ito pala yung kanyang stock na integrated infotainment system with the motion.
So
Parang-
yan lang yung available lang ito, sir. So others, dito siya. So menu. Yan, sir.
So meron siyang parang motion detect dito na dinedetect niya yung kamay mo para lumipat.
Try mong medyo malapit, sir. Medyo ano kasi yan. Parang certain distance siya bago mag ano. So, kanina nakukuha natin siya 7.
Oo nga. Ayun. Ayun oh. Okay. Nice, ha? Nice.
Yan, sir. Parang stock lang. Steady lang.
Saan yung Apple CarPlay niyan dito, sir?
Dito siya, sir.
Sa menu. Okay.
Ito siya. Click mo lang ulit yung Apple Car.
Okay. Activate start stop system. Naka-on naman siya, no? Nasa gitna si jeepney. Ito na lang sa gilid. Right. Balik natin siya sa normal mode. Masyado siyang mataas ang RPM kapag sport. So, dito muna tayo sa tipid mode. Sayang wala siyang wireless charger. Ito na lang ako sa gilid. Since maliit naman ito, pwede natin pag singit-singit. Tumakbo na nga pala ito ng 3,596 kilometers. I think malapit na. Okay. Lapit na sa kanto. Mabilis ang kanyang integration sa yung yung feedback ng Apple CarPlay niya. I like the sound, yung turn signal sound niya. Tik-tok, tik-tok, tik-tok. Alright, finally nakalabas din. Dito naman yan, matraffic. Pero feeling ko mas matraffic dun sa may Bacolor. Let's try the slight off-road here and see the capability of the suspension of this unit. You could hear some road noise. Okay. Grabe yung traffic dito. Well, ganyan talaga. We have to deal with it. There's just so many cars right now. Seat niya pala manual adjusted seat. Activate start stop system. Okay. Ayan, naka-activate na yung kanyang Blue Motion technology. So, okay. Parang meron something doon nung nag-start siya. Let's try the sport mode again. Overall performance of this 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross SE, komportable. Yung makina tamang-tama lang sa kanyang body. And then stylish siya. Again, this is for the youth. You can choose from the available colors, 7 different available colors of this T-Cross. Again, we got the 3 variants. 2022, 2023, and this 2024 SE. Overall, I would say na 1,340,000. If you wanted to have a Volkswagen T-Cross, you can get this Volkswagen Pampanga. Shout out again Volkswagen Pampanga for letting me test drive this T-Cross, and thank you so much, Sir Zhao. The T-Cross SE. Let's check the outside of it. All right. Nice ride. Kung ako ang papapiliin, sa color niya, I would get the orange one siguro, or the blue, or this one, the Moonstone Gray, no? Napaka unique niya on its own style. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross SE variant.